This is Malachi. We're doing a puppet show. Don't talk no crap. This is fun.
I'm Prospect.
Prospect, gotta come over here a little bit. There
I'm
we go.
Prospect.
There's Prospect.
What's up?
There's Malachi. And I'm
Not do anything?
Hey, Prospect. How you doing?
I'm doing fucking great, man. What you doing today?
I'm looking at your hand. And I'm wondering why we don't have any clothes on, man.
True, we are naked.
And you know, this make more sense if you can see my movements, man. Because I do all kinds of stuff. So what we need from our audience today is you to hit that donation button. I know it's there. I know it's there. I know it's there. I know it's there. And I know you have fingers. I know you do. Because you were tapping and tapping your way through the YouTube channel going, I want to look at pretty girls. And this is what you found. Sorry about that. We are pretty though. We pretty.
We are.
We pretty. So hit the donation button so we can get costumes on. That'd be awesome. Now we can do more dancing. Alright. Alright. Woo! Now we naked.
Should I do that flip?
Oh, do the front flippies. I'm naked.